Hey guys, we're going to do lesson 24 for phonics, and we're going to start off with a warm-up for a noun hunt. So we're going to use our story, Beth, in our snapshots to find nouns. So do you remember what a noun is? A noun, remember, is a person, place, or thing. So you're going to be looking for people and things or places, all right? I'm going to give you about 3 minutes to work and make a list of nouns that you see in the story. I'm going to show you the story, and then I will give you a few minutes to do so. So I'm going to share my screen. All right, the story is Beth. I am Beth. I am 10. I am at camp. Camp is fun. And there's a picture of Beth. Once Mom and Dad went on a trip to the camp. All of us were at the camp. Dad and I went up on top of a path at the pond. Mom got a snapshot of us. This is the snapshot. There's Dad and Beth at the pond. Then Mom let us snap some shots. Dad got a snapshot of Mom. And there's Mom's picture. I got a snapshot of a dog with, what does he have? A hot dog. All right, so that's the end of that story. So what I want you to do is, I'm gonna give you just a couple minutes. I'm gonna leave the pages up, and I want you to find the nouns on that page and write them down, okay? And then we will move the page over to the next one. And that way we can write all the nouns down off of each page, and then we'll go over it. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Camp, Mom, Dad, pond, snapshot, calf, and dog. Those are all nouns that were inside that story. So that was a good find for a review for nouns on those pages. Great job, guys. So now let's look at doing some double letter spellings. Now we've talked a little bit about double letter spellings. We're going to review them a bit. So remember, many consonant sounds can be written with either, a single letter or with two of the same letter. All right. So let's look at this letter right here. Okay, you have that letter right there. What letter is that? It's a C. And how does that letter sound? K, like a K, right? K. What if I have this spelling then? What if I have two C's? How does that sound? Still sounds K. It's just a different way to write the K sound. All right? So let me write these two words here on my tablet. I have these two words, cat and hiccup. Now notice the word cat has the K sound written with the letter C, but in hiccup, the K sound is written with the double C. All right, so we're going to continue to look at this principle using spellings and words listed. All right, so we're going to look at some double letter spellings, and we're going to look at some other spellings also that have the single letter. So the first one is not and tennis. And we're comparing the ends, not and tennis. Good. What about P? Pin and happen. Pin has the single P, where happen has the double P. Then we have the R sound, R. We have run with one R, where we have ferret with two R's, ferret. Then we have the T and double T. We have tip, t, and mitt, mitt. So we have t and t. What about Z and double Z, zip and buzz? Zip has the one Z and buzz has the double Z. F, fun and stuff. Fun with one F and stuff with two F's. And L and double L. Leg with one L and bell with two L's. Let's look at the sound K spelled with CK now. So we've talked about C, K, and then we've talked about double C, K. Now we're talking about another K sound, but it's made with CK. All right. So remember, we've just reviewed those sounds. All right. And I want us to look at a board here that I have created. All right, I have got a board here, and it's got the K sounds on it. Notice You have the C over here, K. You have the K sound as K. You have a CK as K and a double C as K. And I've got the K sound at the top. So what I would like to do is I'm going to place some words under our chart sounds. I'm going to place the word clap under the C because clap starts with a C, but it sounds like a K. All right. So if you look there, we've got clap under our C. Now, can you think of another word that contains the K sound spelled with a C that could go under that heading? What about cup? Cup would be a great one. So let's write the word cup. What's another K sound like that? What about scab? Scab would be a great one. S-C-A-B, scab. So now we have 3 words there under C, clap, cup, and scab. Right. Now let's think of words that we could put under the K sound, the K. What about kit? What about kit? I'm going to write the word kit here. Ooh, I know another one. Kiss. Kiss. Let's think about what's another one we could put under the K sound. Kin. What about kin? That would be a good one. Like next of kin, like they're related to you, kin. All right. So now we have our C with the K sound and the K with the K sound. Now let's look at the CK. Let's look at the CK. This also has the K sound. I'm thinking I'm going to write the word rock there. Rock. Notice rock has the K at the end. Do you know another word that we could put there under the CK? Ooh, duck. That would be a great word. Duck. Duck. Great. What about another word? Truck. Oh, truck is a great word too. Truck. I'm going to write truck here. T-R-U-C-K. Great job, guys. Truck. Okay. Well, we've done good so far. We've had our C's. See there? There's our C's. Clap, cuff, and scab. We have the K sound. We have the K spelled with K, kit, kiss, and kin. We have our CK spelled with K, like rock, duck, and truck. Now we need to do our double C. And you know what I'm going to put there? I'm going to put hiccup. Hiccup because hiccup has a double C. Hiccup. Great job. You guys worked really hard on that. Great job. So now the sound K can be spelled 4 different ways. So you have a C as in cat, like K. Then we have a K as in kit. We have duck as in CK. And then we have K as in hiccup, spelled with double C. So that's 4 different sounds of K. K. Wow, we've worked really hard on that. So now you are going to look at your worksheet 24.1. All right, and it looks exactly like what we've done here. Okay, so I'm going to pause a second and I'm going to bring that up so you guys can see this sheet. All right. All right. So I have got 24.1 up. So I'm going to share my screen with you. So hold on one second. All right. So now you can see my screen. And the directions say, have the students read the words in the box and underline all the spellings for cup. So that means now remember, underline the words or circle them, and then you can do your work. But that's the first part of your job. All right. So let's say these words before you get started. I'm going to use my arrow to help us do this. We have the word cat, king, cost, kit, sock, pick, jack, cat, or excuse me, cot, and camp. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take those 9 words and you're going to place them under the correct heading. You're either going to put them under the C, the cuss sound that's spelled with a C. You're going to put it with the cuss sound spelled with a K, or you're going to put it with a cuss sound spelled with a CK. All right. Make sure though, you do the job up here of circling or underlining the cuss sounds, and then come down here and write those words, okay? So that is going to be your job today. And if you have any questions, let me know. So I'm going to stop sharing. Okay. All right. So we are at the end of our lesson 24. Make sure that once you're done with that worksheet that you upload that sheet and turn it in for a grade, okay? All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.